Hello dear friends, welcome to our Indian Academy of Fitness Training's Mind and Body channel, and today we are going to present in front of you a very important video. This video today is dealing with basically a very important section of your body which people are worried about when they are talking about fitness, and that's all about the abdominal region. So are you ready for the abdominal region workout? Let's reveal the secret. Why many of the exercises fail, which sections needs to be targeted for, how is the abdomen divided? Let's know all in this small beautiful video. Are you ready for it? Get ready, get packed up with your shoes and socks, and here we go. Dear friends, as I just told you, the secret lies in understanding the abdominal region. Abdominal region is divided into 9 halves, 3 quadrants on the top, 3 in the middle and 3 in the bottom. Of course, anatomically it may not be possible for me in a small video to go around explaining you each and every quadrant, but right for your understanding, 3 on the top, 3 on the middle and 3 on the bottom. So let's target with our exercises how we are going to target each of this quadrant with good set of exercises. So we will be able to understand which exercise is going to work for which part of your abdomen. Are you ready for it? Here we go. Today we are going to see first the top quadrant exercise. Let's see a top quadrant exercise. There will be 3 halves in the top quadrant, the central half and the 2 side halves. One exercise for each one of them. Ready? Here we go. Put your arms across the chest, curl up. This is for the central quadrant. Twist to either side. This is for the 2 side quadrant. Let's learn furthermore. Now, for the lower 3 quadrants. Are you ready for it? The lower 3 quadrants. First, for the central lower quadrant. Put your arms below the back so that you have a support. Lift up straight. Then, this is for the central component. If at all, lifting up one leg straight up is little too much strenuous for you, you can always curl it. Now, to target the 2 side quadrants in the lower half, what do? Lift up, turn to the side. Now, I have targeted the bottom, I have targeted the top. What do I do for the central area? This is a common question. For the central area, we take help from the yoga. A V pose. Go down and up. So what happens? Both sections are lowering and raising. Great. Now, you have seen sections of exercises which is targeting the top half, the lower half and the middle area. What do I do for the 2 sides in the middle? Very famous exercise, the twisters. Great. Now, the next question that comes up, which is a very common question. What do I do for my love handles, for my side bunds? An important trick to learn. Get palpating. One hand over here on the front, one hand over in the side. Learn to tighten both sides together at one time. Once you learn this, add this to all the other exercises which you have done earlier. and with that you turn up all the exercises into side bun exercises. Yet one set of exercise right for the love handles. Let's see. Tighten up all sides and lift up. Great. Now another exercise for the love handles. Tighten it all around. Lift. Keep it parallel to the floor. No rotations and oscillate. Take it back. Great. So these were for the love handle area. Now you have understood entire set of exercises where we are seeing for top half, for the middle half and for the lower quadrants. Separate set of exercises which can be done for all these areas. You can always land up doing a lot of planks as well, which we'll definitely highlight in our future videos. So this is Dr. Surjit signing off from Indian Academy of Fitness Training from the Mind Body channel. Thank you very much and hope to see you again.